Instant running water heater. If you are looking for a way to save energy and money on your water heating bills, you might want to consider installing an instant running water heater. Unlike conventional water heaters that store hot water in a tank and keep it heated even when not in use, instant running water heaters only heat water on demand, as it flows through the device. This means that you only pay for the energy you use, and you never run out of hot water. Instant running water heaters are also known as tankless water heaters, on-demand water heaters, or continuous flow water heaters. They come in different sizes and types, depending on your needs and preferences. Some of them are electric, while others are gas-powered. Some of them are designed for whole house use, while others are more suitable for point-of-use applications, such as a sink or a shower. The main benefits of instant running water heaters are energy efficiency. They can reduce your energy consumption by up to 50%, compared to conventional water heaters. This translates into lower greenhouse gas emissions and lower utility bills. Space saving. They are compact and can be mounted on a wall or under a sink, freeing up valuable floor space in your home. Longevity. They can last up to 20 years or more, with proper maintenance and care. Conventional water heaters typically last 10 to 15 years. Convenience. They provide hot water instantly, without waiting for the tank to fill up or reheat. You can enjoy unlimited hot water for as long as you need it. An instant or tankless water heater, also known as an on-demand water heater, provides hot water without the need for a storage tank. It heats water directly as it flows through the unit, offering a continuous supply of hot water on demand. Here is how to use an instant running water heater. Installation. Ensure that the instant water heater is correctly installed and connected to the water supply and power source, electricity or gas, following the manufacturer's instructions and any local building codes. Turn on the power. For an electric instant water heater, locate the circuit breaker or fuse box that controls the unit and turn it on. If you have a gas-powered unit, check that the gas supply valve is open. Set the desired temperature. Most instant water heaters have controls to adjust the water temperature. Set the temperature to your preferred level, but be mindful not to set it too high to prevent scalding accidents. Turn on the hot water faucet. Open a hot water faucet in your home. When you turn on the hot water tap, cold water will flow into the instant water heater. Activation. The instant water heater will detect the flow of water and automatically activate the heating element, in electric units, or the gas burner, in gas units. The heating process will begin, and hot water will be delivered to the faucet almost instantly. Adjusting flow. You can control the temperature of the water by adjusting the flow rate of the hot water. Slower flow rates result in hotter water, while faster flow rates may lower the temperature slightly. Turn off when not needed. Similar to traditional water heaters, turn off the instant water heater when not in use to save energy and reduce utility costs. However, instant running water heaters also have some drawbacks that you should be aware of before making a purchase decision. These include high upfront cost. They are more expensive to buy and install than conventional water heaters. You may also need to upgrade your electrical or gas system to accommodate the higher power or gas flow requirements of the device. Cold water sandwich. This is a phenomenon where the hot water is interrupted by a brief burst of cold water, usually when another faucet or appliance is turned on or off. This can be unpleasant and annoying, especially if you are in the middle of a shower. Maintenance. they require regular cleaning and descaling to prevent mineral buildup and corrosion that can affect their performance and efficiency. You may need to hire a professional plumber to do this for you. To sum up, instant running water heaters are a great option for homeowners who want to save energy and money and enjoy endless hot water. However, they also have some disadvantages that you should weigh carefully before investing in one. If you have any questions or need more information about instant running water heaters, please contact us today. We are happy to help you find the best solution for your home.